A big move in the Parliament today. The government has introduced the Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Bill 2025 in the Lok Sabha. The bill draws a sharp line between esports and social gaming on one hand and online money gaming on the other. While esports will be encouraged through training academies, research centers and incentive schemes, online betting, gambling and real money games including poker, rummy, fantasy sports and online lotteries will face a complete ban. The government says that the law aims to protect youth from predatory money gaming apps that push families into debt and distress, while also curbing money laundering, terror financing and fraud. Violators could face up to 3 years in jail and fines of up to 1 crore rupees with stricter penalties for repeat offences. The bill also bars banks and payment platforms from proceeding transactions linked to money games and bans advertisements promoting them. The Ministry of Sports will frame a framework for esports, while MHY and the INB Ministry will support cultural and educational online games. A national level authority will oversee categorization, registration and grievances redressal.
Item number 23, Shri Ashwini Vaishnav.
Honorable Speaker Sir, I rise to move that the Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Bill 2025 be taken into consideration.
Shri Manish Tiwari ji.
सभापति महोदय, हाउस को ऑर्डर में लाइए, एसआईआर पे बहस कराइए, एसआईआर पे बहस कराइए पहले, और उसके
Shri N.K. Premachandran. Shri N.K. Premachandran.
No, sir, the house is not in order.
The question is that the leave may be granted to introduce the bill. Those in favor may say yes. Those against may say no. I think the ayes have it. Ayes have it. The permission is granted and the minister may now introduce the bill.
Honorable Speaker Sir, I rise to introduce the Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Bill 2025 to be taken into consideration.